Hello and hope you're doing well. On this next video I'm gonna build a shield that's gonna sit on my desk to have a little bit of an extra protection between the customer and myself. I have this piece of wood that is 1 inch thick by 10 inches by 6 feet, but I already have used some of it. I only have 42 inches left. What I did was cut the wood in 4 pieces, and you can see the measurements here: 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I put some markings in the middle, so I'm gonna cut just half or less than half so I could sit the acrylic here. So first I'm gonna cut this halfway, and then I'm gonna cut them into smaller pieces. The reason why I'm gonna cut this halfway only is because it's easier for me to do the cutting while it's a big piece. So far I've cut this piece, and as you can see there's this gap right here. It's 1/4 inch, so I should be able to slide the acrylic sheet in here. If I wanted to make it look nicer, I could probably make a shape here, either this way, maybe round. It's up to you. For now, I'm just gonna test it out this way. Now what I'm going to do, since this is, even though it's supposed to be 1 inch, it's only 3/4, so it's kind of slim. So what I'm gonna do is add a little piece of wood so it could be thick enough so it doesn't wobble from side to side. Here are the little pieces of wood. They are 6 inches long. They're 1 inch thick. As you can see, I've put some nails here. You can barely see them, so that's why I went with the nails instead of the screws. So now the bottom is thick enough so it doesn't wobble out of place. If I didn't have those 2 pieces of wood, then it could just fall. Now that I have both sides, as you can see there's a little gap in between. That's where the acrylic sheet is going to be. You have this 10 by 10 around that measurement, and then 1 inch thick, but in this case I made it about 2.5 inches thick. As you can see, here is the finished product. It's 30 inches wide, it's plenty of space. I've taken the protective sheet off, and it's plenty of space here to pass down documents from one person to the other. Having that extra protection between you and the customer. Hopefully this video helps you in any way. Thank you and enjoy.